How to start accepting payments on your Squarespace account step by step in this video. I'm going to show you all the things related to this. Set up your Squarespace website. Choose a template that fits your business and customize your site. Add a store page and then click the plus icon to select a store. Add product or services including pricing, images or description. Now enable a payment processor. Then option 1 will be Stripe, recommended for credit, debit card and Apple Pay. In your Squarespace dashboard, go to the setting, payment, click connect Stripe, log into your Stripe account or create one. Now you have to authorize the connection. Once connected, you can accept credit, debit or Apple Pay payments to your Squarespace. Option 2 will be PayPal. Still in the setting, payments, click contact PayPal. Log into your PayPal business account. Required personal account won't work. Grant Squarespace access to the PayPal here. Then you have to simply set up your store, optional if selling products. If you are selling physical or digital products, in the store page click add product. Choose the product type, physical, digital or service. Then you simply have to see some things, that is add product name or description, images, then the price and variants like sizes or colors, stock and shipping information. For digital products, upload the file directly to be sent automatically after purchase. Now you have to add a checkout page. Squarespace automatically adds a secure checkout page for any store. You can add custom fields like notes to seller delivery instructions. Configure taxes and shipping options in the commerce. Customize order confirmation message and email receipt. Fifth is accept and receive payments. After doing all this, you can simply receive payment through your Squarespace account to any platform or payment method. This is the video. Thank you so much for watching it.